USS CLAMAGORE was a diesel-electric submarine of the Belau class, launched on February 25, 1945, and commissioned into service later that same year. Built at the very end of World War II, it didn't have the chance to engage in combat but played an important role during the Cold War period. After being upgraded under the Guppy-3 program, the submarine received improved hydrodynamic contours, new batteries, and advanced electronics, significantly enhancing its autonomy and stealth capabilities. Its main armament consisted of 10 torpedo tubes, 6 in the bow and 4 in the stern. The torpedo complement ranged up to 24, depending on the mission. Later, CLAMAGORE could also carry more advanced torpedo types and mine warfare equipment. Everything aboard the submarine was imbued with the spirit of its era: mechanical devices, narrow corridors, minimalism, and functionality. Both officer and crew quarters were cramped, with little comfort. The crew worked and rested in constant tight quarters, amidst the roar of the diesel engines and the hum of the ventilation system. The central control station was the heart of the submarine. It was here that depth, course, and periscopes were controlled. The electronics and hydraulics were all products of the mid-20th century, but at the time, they were cutting-edge technology. The main power plant consisted of 4 diesel engines that charged the submarine's batteries. Underwater, the submarine switched to electric drive to operate stealthily. These systems occupied much of the hull, and working with them required highly skilled personnel. During one of its Atlantic exercises, the submarine experienced a ventilation failure and smoke in the engine room. The crew had to restore power in an emergency mode and prevent overheating. Surfacing would have exposed their position. Such incidents served as a reminder that even the submarine's own systems could become a threat. CLAMAGORE served in the U.S. Navy until 1975, after which it became a museum in South Carolina. However, as time passed, the hull began to deteriorate, and in 2022, a decision was made to sink the submarine off the coast of Florida, turning it into an artificial reef. Thus, CLAMAGORE found new life, not as a combat vessel but as part of the underwater ecosystem.